Annabelle Meisel here from Kamalifestyles.com. Today I will be talking about how to make a girl hot in bed. Sex is about exploring your partner and finding new ways to make them crazy about you. Our bodies communicate, and when you are keen, you will figure out what makes her satisfied in bed within minutes. We are different, but there are things that we wish our men knew. The simple things that you overlook, but when they are done, they will make any woman speak in ancient languages. I will give you the top secrets on how to make girls hot. Make her beg for it. If there is a time when you need to be in control, it is when you're about to unleash the beast. Take your time and make your girl wet and horny. There are various techniques that you can use to make her wet, and a longer foreplay is one of them. Start your foreplay with words and progress gradually to light and safe touches. Don't rush to get her naked, but you can slide your fingers into the cookie jar. If it's possible to make her get an orgasm before you go in, because at this point nothing matters to her but you. When we're in the zone, we will say anything to get that. Remember to not give in to her pleads immediately when she asks you to give it to her. The secret lies in the angles. Before you start twisting your girl in some weird positions that might break her neck or waist, make sure she is comfortable with it first. Not all of us were cheerleaders. The size of your guns doesn't matter if you know the right angles. The advantage of hitting the right spot is it continuously makes us enjoy what we are doing. That's the time we want you to hold us tight and pull you in closer because the pleasure is so intense. Be a little mysterious and mischievous. When talking about mystery, I'm not referring to the 50 Shades dark secrets. When your sex life feels like a routine, it becomes boring. When you're mysterious, we get wet as soon as you start because we want to try and imagine what you will do to us. You can surprise your girl with a romantic dinner and sleep in a good hotel. The change of environment brings a new thrill to sex that will make your girl hot in bed because her hormones are rocket high. You can also sneak into the house and have a quickie in the kitchen or the office. It makes you feel like teens, which will also boost our hormones because we feel good about ourselves at that moment. Blindfolds work magic in the bedroom because she doesn't know what to expect. The more anxious we get, the more our hormones hit the roof, and that's a good thing if you want to get a girl hot in bed. Play with emotions. Sometimes we just start an argument from nowhere because we know that we will have make-up sex, and you will rock our world. You can also use the same trick we use on you to make us hot in bed. However, we are emotional, and your arguments better not dent my confidence because it will be a turn-off and we'll need more work to recover from. Arguments increase adrenaline rush into our bodies, and by the time we are having make-up sex, we are already in boiling point. Try to keep it on the petty stuff so that we don't get furious and lock all the doors to the cookie jar. That's all for today, gents. If you want to contact me about the services we offer, please send me an email on info@kamalifestyles.com. Gents, hit that like button now, share, comment and subscribe. I'm Annabelle Meisel. See you all soon.